Valutrades. Welcome to new traders. So, you've decided to give Trading Forex and CFDs a try, but you are not sure how to make your first real trade. By now you would have followed our videos, opened an account, and downloaded an MT4 or MT5 platform. Let's open a simple trade. Throughout your journey into FX and CFD trading, you may explore myriad trading strategies, but for now, let's look at one of the simplest just to get you going. Here we have a ranging market on dollar-yen daily D1 chart, and we draw a line of resistance to show that price action has reached a maximum price for the year. We hear that analysts expect the uptrend on the US dollar to end, and they expect a stronger yen. And our technical analysis has given us an entry point here. Also, our Stochastic Oscillator has moved from overbought and is heading back down, indicating a possible reversal back into the range. If we move to the 4-hour H4 chart, we see that the reversal has begun. If we move to the 1-hour H1 chart, we see the same thing, and the Stochastic Oscillator has also moved from overbought and is moving lower. You will learn about this and many other indicators as you explore the many videos available to you from Valutrades. Let's go back to the daily chart. We want to open a trade here, and we expect price to fall to this level here. Just in case we are wrong, we will close the trade here above the last swing high and hope that price action does not go this high. This is called a stop loss and is used to protect the capital in our account. You will note that the distance to our profit target is greater than the distance to our stop loss. This is your risk-reward ratio, and you will learn about this later. To open a sell position, right-click on the chart, select Trading, and New Order. The first thing you must do is to ensure that your position size, or volume as it is called in MT4 and MT5, is set correctly. You will learn about this later in other videos, but for this exercise we will use the smallest possible amount, 0.01 lots. Enter your stop loss figure from the chart here. Enter your take profit figure here from the chart. Ensure that the trade type is market execution and click the Sell button. You will see the three levels: entry, stop loss, and take profit. You may modify the stop loss and take profit simply by clicking and dragging the levels. You may also open a position with the one-click trading as long as you ensure that your position size is correct. Once clicked, you may see the entry level on the chart, and by clicking and dragging you may set the stop loss and take profit to their logical points. Below the charts in a window called Terminal, under Trade, you may see all information including the profit. In the Valutrades library of videos, you will find information about your trading platform, indicators, setting position size, risk management, and trade management. Of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the customer support team at Valutrades. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.